Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll show you how to pair the WeCool N1 Hi-Fi Stereo Wireless Neckband with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that the device is properly charged and that you read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. Next, to initiate the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone. Then come back to your headphone and press the center button on the control pod. Keep it pressed for 5 seconds. You can see that the indicator LED has started blinking rapidly in red and blue. Once that happens, go back to your smartphone and open up the Bluetooth settings panel. Over here, refresh the list of available devices and you can see that the WeCool N1 has now appeared. Tap on the name. Your phone will now give you a confirmation prompt. Tap on pair. And that's about it. You can see that the WeCool N1 is now connected, has a battery of 90% left, and is currently marked as active. That's how you can pair the WeCool N1 Hi-Fi Stereo Wireless Neckband earphones with your Android smartphone device. Thank you for watching.